Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Airtable Automations and AI blocks step by step clearly. To register with Airtable Automations and AI blocks, start by visiting the Airtable website. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the home page. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and a password. Once you've completed the form, click the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Airtable. Click the link within the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Airtable website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your workspace dashboard. To create a new base, click on the Add a Base option. Choose to create a base from scratch or use a template. After creating your base, open it to access the grid view. Look for the Automations tab located in the toolbar at the top. Click on the Automations tab to start setting up your automation. Select Create an Automation to be guided through the setup process. Choose a trigger for your automation, such as when a record is created. After selecting a trigger, click Add Action to define what the automation should do. You can select from various actions, like sending an email or updating records. Configure the action by filling in the required fields. Make sure to test your automation to ensure it works as intended. Next, navigate to the AI Blocks section by clicking on Blocks in the toolbar. In the Blocks menu, click on Add a Block. Browse through the available AI blocks and select one that fits your needs. Click on the chosen block, then hit Add to integrate it with your base. Once added, configure the block settings according to your workflow requirements. Make sure to test the AI block to see how it interacts with your data. After finalizing your automations and AI blocks, make sure to save all changes. Now you are ready to utilize Airtable Automations and AI blocks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.